I can build anything I want, and everything is possible literally. Like अगर मुझे machine learning जो होता है ना, like recently I was thinking of building my own neural network from scratch, and you'd be like, wow, बहुत tough होगा. No, I'll be like, cursor जाके बनाओ, and then every time it makes it, I'll be like, okay, what did you just do here?
Yeah.
Why did you choose this layer? Like यहाँ पे what exactly are you doing? Are you doing then it will tell me about things like जहाँ पे वो weights and biases use कर रहा है, and then it's using some operations ना जहाँ पे वो just generalize कर रहे हैं. So one second. Right, so in that regard, जो मैंने आज उससे भी बात किया था with the intern I was talking to, and learning is like much faster today. So there is no reason why you should not be able to become a senior engineer. समझ रहे हो ना?
But then the definition of a senior engineer is also
changing.
Yeah, I mean engineers, what I think, senior engineers don't just do coding. They're also responsible for hiring new people, no? Interviews, time ज़्यादा है उन लोगों का.
Yeah. So you're basically evaluating if he's good enough.
Yeah.
To be a part of it.
I have seen my cousin
well,
do that.
Technical interviews होता है, like the other interviews are done by someone else. Technical interviews में is like because you already have the knowledge.
No, he also shortlists कि किसको करना है, किसको नहीं, rating करना पड़ता है. It's like a intensive process for him.
Yeah, but no, when I say senior engineer, I'm specifically referring to skill level and not referring to the
like other job responsibilities.
I'm referring to the skill level. Before this, no, I still think
I asked you this question because most people will learn anything or do anything because they are getting a job, right? स्किल वो लोग सीखेंगे क्योंकि उसको जो मिल रहा है, अच्छा सीनियर इंजीनियर बनने को मिल रहा है मेरे को, इधर जाके क्या कर रहा हो, उसको क्या.
हाँ, but I'll tell you things now that I'll not name people, but there's like other people they kind of take me as a mentor, and they come to me, and another things I tell them is that, let's say recently one of them had an opportunity where to work in a startup or some place, and वहाँ पे जाके there was a role which was not descriptive enough, right? But the role involved things like जहाँ पे development करना पड़ेगा, design करना पड़ेगा, and to basically प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का जो रोल होता है, let's just say that, जो भी रोल्स होता है वो सब होगा, लाइक जहाँ पे तुम
कस्टमर्स के साथ बात कर
रहे हो, इनसाइट्स वो कर रहे हो, and then you are building the product features and stuff, right? And it's not descriptive enough, and my instant वो was like, do it. तुमको पता नहीं क्या होगा उसमें, जाके करो उसको, because that will expose you to so many things, no, that you need to learn, and learning them is so easy right now that अगर तुम्हारे पास वो hustle है ना, you just should do everything that you get.
Yeah.